Welcome to the IVM Podcast Network.
TFG Fantasy Cricket is an IVM production, and you can also check out their other awesome shows like Simplified, a show that explains intense topic from around the world and simplifies it for you so that you can appear cooler in front of your friends.
You're listening to TFG Fantasy Cricket.
Hey guys, welcome to a new episode of TFG Fantasy Cricket Podcast. And जैसे विवेक ने कहा, you have to introduce yourself again. Public भूल गया रहेगा. So this is Nikhil. I'm back in the studio after a long break. थोड़ा घर शिफ्टिंग का इशू था, वो हो गया है अभी. First of all, congratulations. इंडिया जीत गया पाकिस्तान के अगेंस्ट. वो देना ही पड़ता है. I mean, जितने भी आईसीसी इवेंट हो जाएंगे, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस बोलना ही पड़ता है. आई हैव विवेक कृष्णन विथ मी इन द स्टूडियो हु इज क्वाइट फॉर सम टाइम.
मैं तो हूँ यार, बोलते रहो मैं रोज आता हूँ.
ओके वी आर गोना डिस्कस टुडे साउथ अफ्रीका वर्सेस पाकिस्तान यार कोई चैलेंज ही नहीं है. मतलब इंडिया वर्सेस पाकिस्तान जब होता था व्हेन वी वर यंग, देयर यूज्ड टू बी अ सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ एक्साइटमेंट कि टफ जाएगा, नेक टू नेक जाएगा. इधर तो मतलब कोई कंपैरिजन ही नहीं है.
वी शुडंट बी टॉकिंग इंडिया पाकिस्तान,
बट स्टिल लाइक अगर इंडिया देखो, पाकिस्तान है ना, इररिस्पेक्टिव कौन सा भी टूर्नामेंट खेल रहा है, इंडिया के अगेंस्ट इट्स अ डिफरेंट टीम ऑल टुगेदर.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
और अगर इंडिया के सामने उनकी ऐसी हालत है यार, बाकी के टीम्स के सामने तो एब्सोल्युटली.
साउथ अफ्रीका के सामने क्या होगा मैं बताऊं, साउथ अफ्रीका हार जाएगी.
ओके,
ऐसा नहीं होगा.
लेट्स टेक अ मोमेंट एंड लाफ. ओके विवेक, कंटिन्यू.
कुछ हंसने के लिए नहीं है, जोक थोड़ी मारा.
ऑफ कोर्स जोक मारा.
एनीवे, was a shocker. I didn't expect it to be a one-sided match. हम झूम रहे हैं क्यों? चलो ठीक है, नहीं करते हैं, यहाँ पे लोग नाराज हो जाएंगे. Very very boring match. I can't even remember when we started watching in the early 90s. You had Inzamam, Salim Malik, you had Waqar, Wasim, Aqib, Saqlain, Mushtaq Ahmed, all these legends. And हमारे पास भी legends थे. But what has happened over the years is we have kept producing legends. Not so with Pakistan. You just look at them. It's a very sorry state of affairs for various reasons. And Sourav Ganguly was right when he said you need to go back to the roots and improve your first class circuit. Otherwise, वो कहते हैं ना, अगर गोडाउन में गड़बड़ है तो शोरूम में आपको क्या दिखेगा.
किधर से लेके आते हो ये
सब आता है यार. आता है, बाल ऐसे ही नहीं गए रे, कुछ लेने के लिए कुछ देना भी पड़ता है. तो coming back to South Africa and
before that, you spoke about how boring Pakistan is.
Very
boring Champions trophies.
Oh, terrible. We have had 2 washouts, unfortunately receiving in Australia both times. We have had 3 one-sided games.
Yeah.
So this product, and I presume this will be the last edition of Champions Trophy, unless of course the ICC wants to further tweak the whole tournament and bring. You know what? I am disappointed that West Indies and Afghanistan have not found a place in this Champions Trophy. Many might say Bangladesh are ranked above Pakistan and Sri Lanka, which is true.
Yeah.
But that's how silly the ratings are, ICC ratings. And you look at their performance, Nikhil, yesterday against Australia, अगर आपका opening batsman, he scores 95 and you get bowled out for 183. What kind of a professional unit are you? Number one.
Yeah.
Number two, you score 300 against England and it was like they were batting on in their backyard. इतना easy था. So it hurts to see one-sided matches being played, and then the weather interruption. Weather, you can't do much. You can't challenge nature. We had the same thing in 2013. It went wonderfully well. So these things are beyond.
But you can change one thing. Change the venue. मत रखो
Change
England
the
में ये
venue.
time पे.
But look, where do you go in England at this point in time, or for that matter in the UK? You know it's early summer. Early summer, there will be showers. As we speak, I don't know, कार्डिफ में बारिश है या लीड्स में बारिश है, मैनचेस्टर में बारिश है. There is rain everywhere, Nikhil. The only option would have been we are not playing in England.
Yeah.
But now there is no way back. So it's gone. Let's hope that the sun comes out and there is no gloom. Because if there is gloom on the field, there is gloom off it also.
Yeah.
Because you need great results. You need, in fact, thriller ही नहीं है यार. You have the best 8 teams playing, considering the rankings, एंड एक अच्छा मैच देखने को नहीं मिला. हाउ डिसअपॉइंटिंग कैन इट गेट? एंड आई एक्सपेक्ट अनदर वन साइडेड परफॉर्मेंस व्हेन पाकिस्तान कोलाइड विद साउथ अफ्रीका.
स्पेशली इन दिस वॉश आउट मैचेस फैंटेसी प्लेयर्स को इतना बड़ा डिसअपॉइंटमेंट होता है. अभी कल के मैच में अगर किसी का स्टार्क कैप्टन हो या तमीम इकबाल कैप्टन वाइस कैप्टन हो, दे वुड हैव बीन रैंक्ड सो हाई.
हाँ, वो कहते हैं ना, ग्रेटर द हाइट ग्रेटर द फॉल. तो वैसा सिचुएशन हो गया था मेरा भी. प्लीज डोंट रिमाइंड मी ऑफ ऑल दैट, निखिल. बट सच इज द सिचुएशन. यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल. समटाइम्स व्हाट कैन हैपन इज 20 overs मैच हो सकता है. आई वाज वरीड when the rain came for the third time in the India-Pakistan match. It was our match from ball one, okay? But just like what happened with Australia, now nobody will complain. Boss, Australia would have got those runs. The truth is, the bottom line is 1-1 ho gaya.
Suddenly they are in shambles. Australia.
Exactly. Situation could have been a lot worse. India ke sath bhi. Imagine 300 on the board, 15 overs, the rain, and it did come after that. And Pakistanis are least interested in coming back. 1-1 share karo. I mean, how cruel is that? So good, India got their points, and I genuinely feel India are again one of the contenders now. But somewhere I think the batting is wobbly. Pakistan didn't live up to their billing. The conditions were a little different. Rohit Sharma was let off. Yuvraj Singh was let off. Kedar Jadhav ने क्या किया मेरे को मालूम नहीं. So we fielded very badly. I just feel regardless of what happens, the top 4 teams will make the semis. And I think India, South Africa from B. Now Group A can be Australia, New Zealand बोल नहीं सकता यार. England तो आना ही है in my opinion. So let's come back to this match. Wahab Riaz has been ruled out after he bowled that ball to Yuvraj Singh. He fell. And Yuvraj Singh was very concerned. Visibly, he went up to check and he saw a swollen ankle. Immediately, he was taken. In fact, ऐसा हो गया था ना, Virat and Pandya and Yuvraj, the way they were striking, Mohammad Amir said, I'm also injured. Wahab Riaz said, okay, I'm also getting injured. Hassan Ali was the only guy left. So, I see Junaid Khan playing. Junaid should have played in that match also. So that is the one change I see. Number 2 is Azhar Ali opening. निखिल, मेरे को ये बात हजम नहीं होता यार. I will never support Pakistan, but his ODI strike rate is worse than Pujara's test strike rate यार. तुम कैसे खिला सकते हो ऐसे बंदे को? And then you have a selfish batsman in Mohammad Shehzad. Ahmed Shehzad, I'm so sorry. मैं वापस कहूंगा, he is only a imposter Virat Kohli. At the back of his bedroom door, he should just stick Kohli's poster, watch him every day and wish कि यार मैं ऐसा नहीं बन पाया. That's all. बस शक्लें मिलती है, अकलें नहीं मिलती. हाँ, ना कुछ और मिलता है, बस तुम बोल देते हो कंपैरिजन. फिजूल की बातें हैं ये सारे. So I just think the batting needs to, they have to look at their batting. Babar Azam. Babar Azam has to bat high. Shoaib Malik has to bat high. Mohammad Hafiz has to bat high. ये सारे changes होने हैं. And there is a beautiful story about Fahim Ashraf. I'm not too sure how many people know this. So this guy belongs to the border of India and Pakistan. There is a gaon, there is a village called Kasur, and he hails from that part of Pakistan, which is again very close to India. So this guy has been drafted in as the slogger who can also bowl medium pace, and he should get a chance because निखिल, मैं आपको बताऊं, इसने बड़ा जबरदस्त प्रदर्शन किया है इन द पाकिस्तान
प्रैक्टिस मैच,
डोमेस्टिक सर्किट. एंड
वो प्रैक्टिस मैच में कौन था अगेंस्ट बांग्लादेश? हु आई मीन
he did bat. Ashraf did bat. There was Fakhar Zaman, you remember, the PSL guy. So these guys, Shadab Khan has been there. So इनको खिलाओ, opportunities दो. They should not aim at चलो आज हम खेले. You should just go express yourself and forget about the result. I genuinely don't think they can scare South Africa. A better balanced team. मेरे हिसाब से कोई चेंज नहीं होने वाला है. They will play Tahir, Mokel, Parnell. Parnell and Andile Felukwayo, because they have their color player system, they have their quota system, a lot of politics revolving around their country. So Felukwayo could come in for Parnell. Otherwise, I see the same bowling lineup with Morris, Rabada, batsmen obviously, Dumini, De Villiers, Faf du Plessis, Hashim Amla and Quinton de Kock. And जैसा कि आप लोग देख सकते हो, can you please read out the team, Nikhil?
Yeah, let me just go through.
मैं ही बात कर रहा हूँ यार.
Okay, the team for I think the article will be up on our website.
It's already up, boss.
It's already up.
Yes.
So the team is, we start with Quinton de Kock. There is absolutely no discussion over here.
Yes.
In batting lineup, we have Babar Azam, Hashim Amla, Faf du Plessis. In all-rounders category, we have Shoaib Malik, Chris Morris, JP Dumini, and bowling we have Rabada, Hassan Ali, Imran Tahir, Shadab Khan.
Shadab Khan.
Now, captain is Quinton de Kock, vice captain is Faf du Plessis.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't have any trust in Amla as captain.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. So I know why you're asking this question. He scored 100 in the last match. So I was thinking Amla, de Kock, du Plessis. I didn't pick de Villiers. मैंने तो लिया भी नहीं था. Because मेरे को मालूम था ये तीनों ही कमाल करने वाले. And it's Sri Lanka at the end of the day. Lasit Malinga these days is bowling 10 overs, giving away 65 wicket नहीं मिलता. And if Lasit doesn't pick wicket for Sri Lanka, who else will pick?
Yeah.
So Sandakan.
But tell me, why there is no Mohammad Amir or Junaid Khan?
Mohammad Amir. Okay, so Mohammad Amir is number one for the budget. He's priced 9, and the other reason is he's only been a shadow of himself, Nikhil. The Amir before the ban was
the 19-year-old.
Yeah, I mean, he was sensational, and the Amir post-ban, I don't know what has happened, but he has not been picking wickets consistently. Consistency की बात की जाए, Hassan Ali has been there pretty much every game. Junaid, again, I don't want to bet on Junaid purely because what if they don't play him?
But Wahab is out.
There is
no other option.
They need a pacer. What if they say, okay, we'll play another spinner? So these things are possible because you don't want to play 4 paces against or 3 paces against South Africa. South Africa's weakness per se is spin bowling. So you might play spin. Pakistan might say, okay, we'll play 2 spinners. So this is why I don't want to pick him. And I'm more comfortable with JP Dumini because there is no budget for AB de Villiers. If you pick Hashim, Quinton and Faf, जगह और budget भी नहीं है ना AB के लिए. So that is the problem. And 10 में अगर बाबर आजम आता है, if there is one guy I can pick, I'm pretty sure you'll be convinced, Nikhil, it has to be Babar Azam. You cannot pick a Azhar Ali, Ahmed Shehzad or anybody else. So that's...
How about Imad Wasim?
इमाद वासिम अभी वो बॉलिंग करने को घबरा रहा है, जैसे उसको हार्दिक पांड्या ने मारा ना. क्या वो तो इनफैक्ट दैट 4th जो उसने फटका लगाया ना, वो टाइम मेरे को लगा ठीक से हुआ नहीं, वो बैठ जाता ना तो दैट वुड हैव बीन अनदर युवराज. लाइक ही वाज गोइंग फॉर इट. सेकंड लास्ट ओवर था एंड द क्लीन हिटिंग, मैन, आई वाज रियली इम्प्रेस्ड. बट इमाद वासिम, I don't know, I'm not too sure he should be a part of your fantasy teams because if you see, you have to pick him in the all-rounder slot. And when you already have a Shoaib Malik, you have a Chris Morris and Dumini, usko jagah banta hi nahi hai. So, and Dumini is operating as the second spinner for South Africa. He's bowling 4-5 overs. So ek bhi wicket milta hai, you're talking 12 points. So that's the logic behind this selection.
Okay. You think this will also be a one-sided affair for South Africa?
I think so, not because I support South Africa, just the quality of cricket. Pakistan have not been able to rise up to the occasion. They are not exuding any class, any intent above all, and that's why this is more of a concern, Nikhil. At the end of the day, you're talking 8 teams in a Champions Trophy, and if 2 teams disappoint like Bangladesh and Pakistan, what are you ultimately left with? See, you need cricket. At the end of the day, we are cricket fans. Yes, we have our own set of players and teams. But if the brand is suffering, that hurts. It has to hurt. Fantasy, ye, wo, sab chalta rahega. But you have to look at the grander scheme of things.
Okay.
So that's
and
all.
Especially when the flat pitches are so flat.
You can't ask for a better.
There's absolutely nothing for bowlers.
You can't ask for a better batting wicket, man. You really can't ask for that. So that's disappointing. Another washout. You never know, boss. हम लोग, we are not weather gods here to predict कि क्या होने वाला है, क्या नहीं होने वाला है.
Okay.
So that's our team. आगे निखिल बोलेगा जो बोलना है.
Guys, the article is up on our website, thefangarage.com. अगर कुछ doubts है तो you can connect us via Twitter, TFG Fantasy 11, and Facebook as Fantasy Pandit. You can listen to our podcast on Indusworks Media, SoundCloud, Audioboom, iTunes, and definitely on YouTube. Subscribe, share, like, and comment. Till then, take care. We'll be back tomorrow. Bye.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain speaking. Sorry to say, but there's been a slight delay due to the apocalypse having suddenly begun. As you can see, there's death, destruction, and chaos taking place all around us. But don't you worry, food and drinks will be served shortly, and I would recommend checking out
IVM Podcasts
to get some of your favorite Indian podcasts. We'll keep you going till this whole thing blows over. Thank you.